Come along now for a behind-the-scenes look at and listen to one of United's Take Me Along commercials. When you see this 60-second musical comedy spectacular on your television set, remember it took months to prepare, days to film, and hours to record. And it's only one of 3 different Take Me Along commercials done for our fall promotion. If the music and lyrics to this commercial sound familiar, you're probably remembering the tune was the title song of a recent Broadway show starring Jackie Gleason. Our feeling was that the song said exactly what we wanted to say, so we didn't change a thing. The actual taping of the soundtrack you're going to hear was done in the ballroom of a famous New York hotel. Incidentally, that's the procedure. Sound first, then the picture part of a commercial, filmed in synchronization with the sound. All elements of the Take Me Along soundtrack, musicians, singers, and announcer, were recorded individually and later blended together. We recorded the orchestra first. Over and over they played, until one version sounded just right to the critical ears of the director. Listen to a number of takes that didn't make it.
Take Me Along track, take 2.
Bonanza ever comes back, you're in. Here we go. Here we go. Rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, go.
Now listen to the final orchestral track as it sounds in the finished commercial. By the way, this is the Tonight Show Orchestra, featuring such outstanding performers as Clark Terry and Jimmy Maxwell on trumpets, Herbie Green on trombone, Al Caiola on guitar, Trigger Alpert on bass, and Bobby Rosengarten on drums. Here they are with a flawless rendition of United's Take Me Along commercial. With the orchestral version already on tape, the singing chorus was added to the mix. Here are a couple of not quite right takes. Listen closely, and you'll understand why they weren't used.
We're leaving the room off the bar.
Stand by, please. United Airlines, Take Me Along, 60-second vocal load up, take 16.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, go.
Take me along if you love me. Take me along if you love me. Take me along with
I love your little duty, but the office is my cutie. What is that?
1, 2, go.
Take me along if you love me. Take me if you love me.
Now the announcer. Nobody's perfect. Once during rehearsal, even the usually smooth-tongued announcer goofed.
If you take her along on United, we'll give you both 1/3 off your fares, let you charge it with our credit card, even give you reduced hotel and rental, and...
Incidentally, we pre-recorded the announcer's message. That way we could lower electronically the orchestra's sound level under his voice, as you'll notice here.
If you will take me along
If you take your wife along on United, we'll give you up to 1/3 off her fare. Let you charge it with our credit card. And in most cities, you can even get reduced hotel rates on the weekend.
My lips will sing.
Finally, we were able to edit all of the right elements into a perfect soundtrack. Only then were we ready to film the commercial. The cameras rolled while the music played over the loudspeakers, and the dancers timed their lip and dance movements to match the words and music. How will it look and sound when it comes dancing into your living room? For a preview, pick up the record jacket and look at the TV storyboard on the back. A storyboard is an advertising agency's way of visualizing a commercial before filming begins. In other words, it's a producer's visual script. Right below each picture, you'll find the sound portion of the commercial. Now, as the finished version plays, put the pictures and sound together in your own imagination. Hope you enjoyed being taken along through the taking of a commercial.
Can't you take me along?
But honey, it's business. It's just a week.
Be back before you know it.
Take me along if you love me. Take me along if you love me. Take me along with
I love you, little cutie, but the office is my duty.
my heart will rise. Sweet and glorious, high above the throng. If you will take me along with you.
If you take your wife along on United, we'll give you up to 1/3 off her fare. Let you charge it with our credit card. And in most cities, you can even get reduced hotel rates on the weekend.
My lips will say